Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about AWS Batch. We'll be speaking on what AWS Batch is, benefits, and use cases. Let's dive in. AWS Batch is a fully managed batch processing service. It enables developers, scientists, and engineers to easily and efficiently run hundreds of thousands of batch computing jobs on AWS. AWS Batch dynamically provisions the optimal quantity and type of compute resources, such as CPU or memory-optimized instances, based on the volume and specific resource requirements of the submitted batch jobs. There is no need to install and manage batch computing software or server clusters that you use to run your jobs. You just plan, schedule, and run your batch computing workloads across the full range of AWS compute services and features such as Amazon EC2 and Spot instances. Let's talk about benefits of AWS Batch. AWS Batch offers the following benefits for your organization. Focus on analyzing results, not managing infrastructure. Native integration with AWS. Optimize compute costs. And scale compute resources automatically. Let's explain each of these benefits. Focus on analyzing results, not managing infrastructure. Run hundreds of thousands of batch machine learning, simulation, and analytics computing jobs without installing software or servers. Native integration with AWS. Natively integrate with AWS to implement scaling, networking, and management capabilities. Optimize compute costs. Reduce costs by optimizing computing job distribution based on volume and resource requirements. Scale compute resources automatically. Scale your compute resources automatically with fully managed infrastructure that supports large-scale processing and simulations. Now let's see use cases for AWS Batch. AWS Batch supports the following use cases which cover the need of a broad spectrum of customers. Test complex systems using simulation. Run financial services analysis. Screen for drugs and sequence genomes. Render visual effects. And train ML models. Let's elaborate each of these use cases. Test complex systems using simulation. Run simulations at a scale when testing complex systems like those used in robotics, autonomous vehicles, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Run financial services analysis. Automate analysis of the day's transaction costs, completion reports, and market performance. Screen for drugs and sequence genomes. Rapidly search libraries of small molecules to capture better data for drug design. Render visual effects. Automate content rendering workloads and reduce the need for human intervention due to dependencies. Train ML models. Efficiently run compute-intense ML model training and inference at any scale. In summary, use AWS Batch for batch processing, such as for ML model training, simulation, and analysis at any scale. Get the benefits of a fully managed batch processing service. That's all about AWS Batch service. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.